Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a chart to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top toolbar. Go to File, go to Open. This will take us directly to the desktop where we see presentation.key. Click on this. Now go to Open. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's focus on a new slide, and for us to insert a chart, we will go to the top navigation menu where we see chart. Click on this. We have the option to insert a bar chart, a line graph, a pie chart. Let's click on pie, and this pie chart has now been pre-populated with some data. We have the ability to change all that if we wish to. I can change the color or colors to something else. I can add a title, a caption if I wish to. That's all for another tutorial. We can change the font if we need to. We can add a background if we need to. Color fill, gradient fill, or whatever. We can change from 2D pie to, let's just say, 2D bar. That's the same as inserting a bar chart. So we can then, if we wish to, focus on other key factors as part of the chart itself, whether it's axes, series, or arrange, and so. Command S to save. We can now quit Keynote. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.